My name is Stephanie Huckins, and I am a proposal coordinator here at PEC. Today I'm talking with Brett Walbridge, who is our Vice President of Healthcare. What's going on, Brett?
Doing good. How are you?
Good, thank you. So give us a little bit about what your background is and a little bit about what you've done overseas.
Sure. So I came to PEC in 2008 as an electrical engineer, actually interning. Started off working in some federal projects and even did a wastewater treatment plant before I eventually got into healthcare design and really found my passion there. So currently I serve as our Vice President of Healthcare Markets, so I'm responsible for everything we do in the healthcare world. Really found my passion working over in our project in Kenya. Just got to see firsthand the impact that the work that we do makes on patients.
Very cool. So what types of projects does healthcare cover other than the obvious ones?
So the obvious ones being hospitals and clinics.
Yep.
We also do a lot of work that ultimately supports providing patient care at those hospitals. So for instance, the Red Cross is here today taking blood donations.
Yep.
So kudos to everyone that's donating blood. All those donations end up going to a central processing facility where they get tested and processed and stored and ultimately delivered back out to the hospital. So we've got a project right now at the Oklahoma Blood Institute that is it's a renovation to help support the work that they do. We have another project, actually a series of projects with the VA where we are providing the infrastructure for big, massive pharmaceutical. It's a mail order prescription processing facility.
Great. So how would you say PEC is solving problems for our project owners specifically in your market?
One of the toughest things about working in a hospital is you can't just close the hospital. So our designs need to incorporate the thought that, you're not going to move patients out. We got to continue delivering care, so we can't shut down big systems within those facilities. And our engineers get that. A lot of times it takes some really out of the box thinking to pull that off. And we're doing it, and that's why our clients, I think, keep calling us back because they know that we can handle those tough problems.
That's great. What do you think sets you apart from our competition?
Well,
not you, PEC.
Sure.
Excuse me.
Like I just said, the expertise and our experience, doing a lot of healthcare work in a lot of locations. Our teams are really good about sharing knowledge back and forth between offices, different project types. Another thing I think really sets us apart is our relationships. PEC's always been a relationship first engineering firm. Our clients know they can call us, and at a moment's notice, we can help them solve issues as they come up. It's very, very important for hospitals that if something fails, that someone can get on site quickly and help them solve those problems.
All right, Brett, last question. What project has had the most impact on you personally?
I think I alluded to it earlier. Without a doubt, it's been the Cardiothoracic Center out in Kenya. We have taken 7 or 8 trips out there now, as that's through the design and construction process. Our very first trip out there, we got to sit into an open heart surgery for a 17-year-old girl that without that surgery she wouldn't be here today. So would never be able to do that in the States, just through the HIPAA requirements, and
right.
So it's truly a once in a lifetime opportunity. But to sit there and see an open heart literally beating and then stop and then restart it again once they finish the procedure was pretty amazing.
Very cool. All right, Brett, I think that's all we have today. So thank you for meeting with me today, and that's a wrap.